Welcome back to the WHHI-TV Daily News. Well, yesterday was Flag Day, and Lisa Richardson was at the Greenery for a special event. Let's take a look at some highlights.
It's Flag Day, June 14th, and we're at the Greenery, and the Greenery does so much wonderful things for our community. Janet Fanning is with me now, and we're going to talk about a special mission that you have created and the idea behind it.
Well, I realized retail-wise, Memorial Day and 4th of July are two dates that we just can't really compete with. So one year, a few years ago, I thought, Flag Day. The flag is so important to us. We tend to forget that accidentally. I was a Girl Scout, and we learned all the rules about handling flags. And then my mom was born in Scotland. She was an immigrant, and she became a United States citizen. And she always had a flag, an American flag, flying outside our front door, which to me was really meaningful because she left that Union Jack, which was her national flag, and embraced this one. And I thought, what a great way to make people aware of the importance of the flag and that we do have a day to celebrate it. And I also thought, wow, there's probably people with flags that need to know how to dispose of them. And so then every year we collect flags. I have people that moved here from Ohio that say, we carried our old flag and we just didn't know what to do with it. So people know that we need to respect it, and they just don't know where to take it.
Take a look at some of the ones who have come in donations. Definitely a little tattered and torn. So tell us what you do with it. How will you restore that?
There are the fire department headquarters are up at the north end of the island, and they actually have a box there. So anytime someone wants to bring a flag to be disposed of, that's the perfect place to take it. I just am doing everyone a favor who may not know that by collecting them here, and then I bring them over and stuff their little box. Actually, last time I had to bring them in because there were so many, which makes my heart happy that people want to do the right thing with them. And so I think the local VFWs too, I think there's other places that do dispose of flags correctly. I just happen to know that the fire department does, and I just think it's really neat.
So this is something that you can do year round. It's not just reserved for Flag Day or the special holidays, any time of the year?
Yes.
As people are moving, cleaning out their garages.
Yes, if you're seeing this and it's a few weeks from now, you can bring it here. That's fine with me. Or you can take it to a fire department, especially the headquarters. I know they have a box outside.
Yeah. Well, I know this is meaningful to you, and I'm sure to so many others. So thank you for doing this for our community, and thanks for sharing with us.
Thank you. Thank you for coming in.
After a quick break, Diane Fisher-Simmons will be here to tell us what's going on this weekend. Don't go away.